Web3 TV.
What's up, guys? We're at the GITEX Global Conference in Dubai 2025. I'm Adel, the host. Today we have Khaled Saif from Charge & Go. Khaled, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm great, thank you. Tell us a bit about your company. What is it all about?
Well, 2 years ago we had launched Charge & Go. Charge & Go is an EV charging infrastructure network. Has been built for the service of Etisalat and the community all over UAE. It's based on sustainability solutions and again with the smartest position in the market.
Wonderful. So this Charge & Go is under EN, and EN belongs to the government. Is that correct?
That's correct, yes.
How many charging stations roughly do you have in the UAE and beyond?
We have between private and public more than 280 chargers, and that's including AC and DC charging, fast-fasting charging.
Interesting. And the main purpose, is it only to charge cars, or is there a deeper purpose beyond cars also?
There's a deeper purpose as well, and we're going to help the e-mobility solutions in general. It's not only for normal consumer requirements, but also we go to business requirements, business to limousines, business to taxi. So we are there for them.
And what about planes? Is there any plane capabilities yet?
Well, we are starting on the ground, but definitely will be on the sky very soon.
Fantastic stuff. Are you doing anything with AI at the moment?
Yes. Everything in the back end is based on AI. It's either the customer experience, the operation and maintenance, the data analytics and the insights. Everything is connected to AI. So we are running that business on agility and smartness as well.
And going into 2026, what is exciting? What's something exciting you can share about the roadmap of Charge & Go?
Well, we will have a bigger scalability. We'll have a better solutions for the customers. We are analyzing what the customer are looking for. So we are coming with the new products and services. You will see too many integrations on the way, either from application side or from advertisement side. So we are excited about it and we want to impress our customers.
Have you heard of blockchain, and are you doing anything with blockchain at the moment?
At the moment, no. There are some concepts that might be suitable for the EV ecosystem, but not at the moment.
Fantastic. Great. Thanks so much for your time. I appreciate it.
You're most welcome. Thank you for GITEX 2025.
All right, that's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check out Khaled's profile and Charge & Go. Thank you again. I'm Adel, the host, and I will see you next time. Cheers.
Web3 TV.